Happy holiday shopping season. I'm attorney Tony Bell with Superheroes at Law. Today we're turning our attention to the hardworking retail workers who are gearing up for Black Friday. It's a day famous for deals and discounts, but what about the legal rights of those on the front lines of retail? Black Friday isn't just a busy shopping day. It's also a critical time to discuss employment law as it relates to retail workers. From mandatory overtime to holiday pay and safety regulations, there's a lot to unpack here, so let's get started. First, mandatory overtime. Many retail workers find themselves working longer hours during the Black Friday rush. While overtime is often a necessity, it's governed by laws ensuring a fair compensation. Under the FLSA, Fair Labor Standards Act, for instance, employees are generally entitled to overtime pay at 1.5 times their regular rate for hours that are worked beyond their standard 40-hour work week. But what about holiday pay? Well, here's where it gets tricky. Surprisingly, there is no federal requirement for extra pay on holidays. It often depends on state laws or individual employer policies. So while some retail workers might receive holiday pay, others might not. Breaks are another crucial aspect. While federal law doesn't mandate specific breaks or meal periods, many states do. These laws ensure that workers get much needed rest during their hectic shifts. Retailers who fail to comply can face legal consequences. Now, let's talk safety. With the surge of customers with Black Friday shopping, keeping retail environments safe is more important than ever. Employers are legally required to provide a safe working environment. This means managing crowds effectively and ensuring emergency procedures are in place. The gig economy and temporary workers also play a big role during Black Friday. These workers also have rights, but they might differ from those of permanent employees. So it's important for all temporary employees to understand what their contract terms are in regards to pay and working conditions. For retail workers braving the Black Friday crowds, knowing your rights is key. Whether it's fair pay or breaks or safe working environment, the law offers protections that you must be aware of. Whether you're a retail worker, a manager, or just an interested listener, understanding these legal aspects is crucial. I'm attorney Tony Bell with Superheroes at Law. Happy holiday shopping season.